how to enable the dual messenger or two of the same apps, and this is for the Nothing Phone 2 here, and let's get started. To get into these settings, you can use the quick panel access, perform a double swipe to get into the main settings very fast. As you're here in the main settings, you'll want to go to the part that says apps, this right here. Once in the apps section, just go down until you see cloned apps, this right there. In the clone apps section here, you'll see these two here as suggested apps. And keep in mind, this will not work for every app on your Nothing Phone 2, okay? So for it to work, basically, once you turn on the switch here, you'll notice it says the copy of Messenger has been installed there. And from here on, you'll just look for it there. The copy version is the one with the little icon here next to it. That's the copy one, and then the original one would be there. And basically, this allows you to sign in as two separate users on two separate Messenger accounts here and be two places at the same time. And of course, when you're ready to disable this here, you can just come back to the clone apps section, turn it off. It will just simply uninstall it. It's not going to completely delete your user account. It's just going to uninstall the copy of the app. But you can repeat this process again to get back into your second account at any given time. Like and sub.